Hi all. So today let's discuss about neuropathy. So what is neuropathy? Neuropathy is the range of conditions that is affecting the nerves in our body. So what are the range of conditions affecting the nerves in the body? First main thing is that numbness or tingling sensation. Why it is important in the present day? We know ages ago it was affecting only the older people, but nowadays it is affecting the young people also. So why it is important? I'm going to explain. So as soon as you wake up, you are not feeling a freshness, you are feeling the weakness or you are feeling the numbness in your hand and the fingers. Sometimes you will not be feeling a coordination of the body. You will be having muscle aches on the hand and on the feet and muscle twitch, and you will not be having a bladder control or urine control. So these are some of the symptoms. Not only this, you will be feeling a muscle aching sensation, and also you are not able to do even the fine motor activities. So what are the fine motor activities? Fine motor activities are just buttoning of the shirt or holding a cup of tea. This all comes in fine motor activities. So these activities we are not able to do with confidence, and you are not having a bladder or urine incontinence also you are suffering from. So what is happening here? That is what we want to know. Okay. So here what it is happening is that our cell, we know there is a proper conduction. A proper conduction is helping us to develop the heat and cold sensation. That is, we are able to realize the heat and cold sensation due to the proper nerve conduction. But if the proper nerve conduction is not happening, what will we be doing? That is, if some object is heat, we are touching our hand and we have to withdraw that hand immediately. If we are not able to withdraw that hand immediately, our hand will be burnt, isn't it? Our skin will become delicate, soft, and it will be burnt. Okay. So this is happening mostly in the hospitals, Ayurvedic hospitals, and you know some of them may be hiring therapists to do the bodily treatment in the home. But what is happening there? Sometimes you will be thinking, oh my god, heat is not sufficient, and you will be telling them you can put more heat, but they don't know and they will be putting more heat. But if you are not able to realize the heat sensation, what is happening here? Burning will be happening here. This burning may be resulting in infections and all. So you have to take care about. And second main thing is that here the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath of the cell is damaged. So what is myelin sheath? Myelin sheath is the outer covering of the cell. So how is the myelin sheath damages? Many of the patients used to complain, I don't like Ayurveda because Ayurvedic doctors used to tell the do's and don'ts of a food style. So I am going to tell you why we are telling the do's and don'ts of a food style. Because all the food is not easily digested in our body. Normally, what have to happen, normal physiology I am telling, whenever any food you are taking, it is broken into small pieces, finer pieces. It is traveling your whole body tract. Okay. Through the stomach, esophagus, intestine, small intestine, large intestine, and finally some of them will be going as motion and some of the nutrients are absorbed by the body. But what is happening if any food that is not, or any protein that is not completely digested by the body? Yeah dears, it is actually this protein, what is doing, it is getting attached to the myelin sheath, and what it is creating the trouble with your cell, or it is not properly absorbed. So anything that is not properly absorbed by the body is called as toxin. Yeah, so definitely you have to bring a change in your food style. It is very important. Without bringing a change in your food style, how you can develop the health? So the Ayurveda doctors used to tell. And also our body is having numerous channels. So if any of these channels is blocked, or any of these channels is coated with these items, then it will be creating inflammation on your whole body also. So there starts the journey of a disease. So here I have told these all symptoms. So what can we do? Yeah, I will be telling you about the food what we can take. But I will be, and being an Ayurveda physician, I will be adding the Ayurvedic lifestyles that you have to follow here also. So here we know these all symptoms, as I have told, and most of the diabetic patients used to tell they are not able to wear their slippers confidently, because when they are trying to wear their slippers, they will be feeling a numbness, or they will be having a aching or pain sensation on their feet, or some cutting, stabbing sensation, and their slippers is thrown away from their feet. So this indicates the nerve degeneration is happening here. So not only this, you have to take care of your blood sugar value. If you are not taking of your blood sugar value, definitely it is going to result in this neuropathies. Frozen shoulder, that is, you will be feeling the stiffness of the hand. So you have to take care, and also if your blood sugar value is not regulated, this will be happening. So let's check about what all food items can be helping you. Yeah, definitely you have to include beetroot, tubers like beetroot and carrot in your diet, and green leafy vegetables, of course. And I will be telling many of the non-veg items. Sorry, if you are not a non-vegetarian, you can go with other substitutes like cod liver oil and all. Okay, so non-veg items, what all we can use? You can use sardine, tuna, beef liver, etc. And what you have to take here cumin also. Make sure you are taking cumin, curcumin, fenugreek seeds, etc. Among this, the turmeric is very important. Why turmeric is very important? Turmeric help you to prevent the Alzheimer's and Parkinsonism from the starting. So curcumin is very important. And we know how diabetes is happening actually. Zinc deficiency, it is one of the main important factor. So you have to include pumpkin seeds in your diet and rest of the non-veg items, as I told you. So here you have to take care of your diet. It is very important. And the main important thing which is actually disappeared from our food style is vitamin B1 or thiamine. So what had happened to the thiamine? Because of our intake with the sweet items and all, what happens is that the thiamine is not absorbed properly in our body. So if the thiamine is not absorbed properly in our body, we will be having anxiety, stress, tension. We will not be able to concentrate in any work we are doing. So we have to include brown rice in our diet, and we must take fortified cereals in our food actually. So you have to take it, and along with this sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, these all you can include. Also maintain the zinc level in your body. So let me come to the Ayurvedic conception, because I know most of these things what I am telling you will be taking. Then also you will be thinking, yeah doctor, I am taking all of these items, but why it is not working? I can tell you. How many of them are doing exercise regularly? Any patient or any person I met, I keep on asking the same question, because most of them are not doing exercise. It will be restricted only to walking. It is not like walking, dears. If ever you are having any neuropathic symptoms, make sure you are doing exercise. So what are the benefits of exercise? Exercise actually make your body light, and it will be no inflammation. Your body will be never be affected by any inflammation. And you have to include active exercise on whole part of the body. So only we doctors used to suggest you to do the Surya Namaskara, yoga and all. And next what you can do is that always make it as a habit to apply oil on your whole body. So do an oil massage on your whole body. When you do oil massage on your whole body, you are actually calming your nerves. You are actually taking care of yourself, your nervous system and all. So whenever you are doing this oil massage, what happens is that your sleep will also be better. Your whole body with oil and your head. And always make sure you are not doing the oil massage at the night timings. Okay. Then applying the oil on the whole body, especially on the back of the ears and also the inner soul, will take care of your sleep also. Early to bed, early to rise. And next main thing is that let's practice exercise. Yes dears, you have to do active exercise. Without doing active exercise, how the fatty food or how the fast food you are taking will be digested by your body? Do you want to be a person for taking lifelong hypertension medicines, cholesterol medicines, thyroid medicines and all? You don't want such a life, am I right? So let's practice exercise also. It is very important. And next main thing is that let's practice the nasal drop treatment or nasium. So what is nasal drop treatment or nasium? Actually, what you have to do is that take a pain balm, apply massage on your cheek area, forehead area, chin area. Let's take a good steam with water boiled with dry ginger. Buy Anutailam, and 4 drops of Anutailam you can instill on your both nostrils. Morning at a time at 7 a.m. that is just before the breakfast timings. And let's do a good gargling. Here you can see that your eye power will be very good. Your concentration will be increased. One thing I can tell you, it is very good remedy against many of your respiratory tract infection problems. And next what we can do. Yeah, I had told you about exercise, early to bed, early to rise and nasal drop treatment. Take your food when you are having correct appetite. It is not like that I have to go to office, so let me take my food. I am not feeling appetite. If you are keeping on continuously doing like this, what is happening? You are getting cholesterol. So let's take off these small items. Then what we can do is that finally one thing, sorry, I have skipped. That is, let's practice a detoxification, stomach clearance or detoxification treatment. 6 months once, let's give a good stomach purgation. We all know whatever food we are taking is not properly digested by the body. If anything is not properly digested, what is this indicating? Your absorption, your elimination is not good. It is not like that one tablet of albendazole can solve all the problem. No dears, it is not doing anything. So what we can do? Meet an Ayurveda physician. Take a deworming tablet for few weeks. Why few weeks? Because the life cycle of the worms is also few weeks. Make sure during this time you are not taking any of the sweet items or fast food items. And you can see that your weight will be coming to a normal or stabilized, or your weight can be reduced by this type of food and lifestyle. And by following this, you are giving actually strength and overprotection and immunity to your body. So follow all of these steps. Not only this, if you have the problem, you can meet your Ayurveda physician. Medicines will be given according to the condition. Yeah, last time I have told you about some of the medicines like Ashwagandha Churnam, Belarishtam, Danvantaram Thailam, and according to the condition, your doctor will be guiding you. Okay, so take care of your health. Thank you dears. Have a nice day.